In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of the Facebook profile lock option not showing. First, open up the Facebook mobile app on your device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the main menu. Scroll down a bit until you see an option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down until you find Profile and Tagging. Tap on Who can post on your profile. Here, it's crucial to set this option to Friends. After adjusting that setting, move on by tapping Who can see what others post on your profile. Set this option also to Friends. Now that these settings are configured, go back to the main menu by hitting the back button until you reach it. Tap on your name at the top of the screen. This action will direct you straight to your Facebook profile page. Next, look for three little dots. Tap on those dots and select Turn off Professional Mode. Follow any on-screen instructions provided by Facebook. Once you've completed these steps successfully, you should now see an option available for locking your Facebook profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.